you need to look at what is your goal. Okay, so if I'm creating a video that is going to show people that you need to be enthusiastic and passionate to have a successful video, to present well. Okay, so I'm going to create a video on that. But why am I doing that? I'm doing these videos because I want to be a thought leader in smartphone videos. Okay, that's my goal. That's my what, sorry. So why am I creating this video? Because I want to help people to be more confident when they're presenting. Okay, so that's the why. So you need the what, the why, and then you need to know who your target audience is. Now, a lot of business people know who their target audience is, and you need to, in this case, business owners and educators that want to create inexpensive, great-looking videos. That's my target audience. And the main message you want to get across, well, in this particular video would be to be enthusiastic and passionate when you're in front of the camera. Okay, I did say this is going to be interactive, so I'm just giving you a couple of minutes, and I want you guys to plan out a video that's no more than a minute. And this is the video that you're going to create at the end of the workshop. Now, as I said, some of you may have a really good idea already or have done some of these steps. If you haven't, I'll give you a couple of minutes. So look at the what, the why, the target audience, and what is the main message. So today we have Annabelle. Annabelle is going to tell us what sort of video she is creating. So the what, the why, who is your target audience, and what is the main message?
Okay, so the goal is to position our business as a leader in childcare first aid.
Wonderful.
The why is to help people choose the right type of course when they're working with children. The who is the director of a childcare service. And the message is that people want to be confident in providing effective first aid to children in an emergency.
Wonderful. So you've covered it all. So now you know exactly what you need to do. And like anything, the planning is really important. So you've got the first step down. Hopefully everybody has as well. And now we will continue on. Thank you, Annabelle.
Thank you.
We'll see your presentation at the end. Looking forward to it.
Awesome.
We might include it in the actual course. How about that?
Awesome.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.